Hi guys, my name is Madeline Yost and I am very new to YouTube. I just started today and this is my very first video. So let's get started. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be playing with slime. As if you guys don't know what that is, it's very good slime. It's stuff that you stretch and you poke and you make bubbles with. And I have very many slimes, but I'm only going to be using like, let me see, 5 today, because I don't want to be making this video very long. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you my slimes. This is Love Frosting. It's like a violet purple. It has a little bit of beads in it and stuff. And you guys are going to be judging what slime is the best, so comment down below. And if you want this, it is 75 cents, so just hit me up if you are from Toronto, Steubenville, or Wintersville. And also, it's another one. This one's like a very pretty violet. That one was a dark violet. This is a light violet, and it's very pretty. Its name is Pink Daz, and it's really good. And yeah. And I said that I want to call it Days, but I said Daz. Sorry, it's Days. It's really good. It's really sticky and stretchy. Also, what I said, it's 75 cents. If you want it, hit me up. And from Steubenville, Toronto, or Wintersville. Thanks. And then there is the Blueberry Rose. This is $1. It has beads in it. It's blue, baby blue. And it's Blueberry Rose, as if I said. Okay, there's that one. And now here is the White Cloud slime. And it has a couple beads in it. It's very good. It's white, as if I said. It's White Cloud slime. And the next slime is the very last slime. It's really big. Its name is the Ocean Slime. And it has beads in it. It's blue and it has like little silver stuff in it. Right here. So, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be poking it, and my friend Caitlin's going to judge and say which one is the best at the end. But, yeah. So, this is what we're going to be doing it on. We're going to be doing, first roll is best poke, best bubble, and best stretching. So, we're going to start out with the biggest slime, the Ocean Slime. Baby Blue Ocean Slime. And it has beads in it. Well, foam beads. So it is blue. Now we're going to start with a poke with this. So my friend Caitlin, right here. Say hi, Caitlin. She's going to be judging and seeing which one is the best poke. Okay, ready, Caitlin? Okay, ready? Okay, that's that. Now we're gonna go to the next poking slime. Remember, that's Ocean Slime. Now we are going to the White Cloud slime. You guys ready? This is the White Cloud slime. Okay, that's the White Cloud slime. Now, this is the Love Frosting slime. You guys ready? Let's get started. Okay, that was that slime. And very last slime, no, not the very last slime, I have one more. Blueberry Rose slime. Has beads in it. The best poking. You guys ready? Let's get started. Okay, that was that. Now our very last slime, Pink Days. It has little beads in it, but you can still poke, probably. Okay, that was the Pink Days. So now Caitlin's gonna say which one was best. Now I'm gonna name them and she's gonna say. So which one was better, Caitlin? The White Cloud, the Ocean Slime, the Love Frosting, or the Pink Days? Sorry, guys. Or Blueberry Snow Slime?
That one.
This one? Alright, well, Caitlin said this one had the best poke. And you guys don't have to agree. I don't think it was the best. I think that the Ocean Slime was the best. And now we're going to go with the stretching. Since this one run that round, we're going to go with the stretching now. Okay, you guys ready? Caitlin, you got to watch this. In a swirl, I'm going to do okay, that was a very good stretch. Now we are going to be doing the Love Frosting slime. See, it's not very stretchy, but it is very neat. So, Caitlin, this is the Love Frosting slime. Remember that, okay? Look. Okay. Now we're going on to the White Cloud slime. Sorry, my friend's calling my other friend. This is the White Cloud slime, Caitlin.
It's that one.
I didn't get to the last one, though. You like that one so far? Now we're going to do this one, Caitlin. Look. Okay, that was the Ocean Slime. And now, the Pink Days slime. Caitlin.
White Cloud.
Okay, well, what was the winner, Caitlin?
White Clouds.
The White Cloud slime won. This one won, so we're going to start out with this one for the bubble. We're going to start out with this kind of bubble. And then this. And the best crunch. Crunchy bubble. So, Caitlin saw that. That was the White Cloud. Now we're going on to Blueberry Frosting. I mean, sorry guys. I didn't mean to say that. I meant to say the Blueberry Rose slime. Okay. Got that down. It's very sticky, guys, just to let you know. So if you want it, you guys will. If you want to activate it, if you buy this, then you gotta pay an extra 50 cents because activator isn't cheap. Okay, now we're gonna go on to the Pink Days bubble. That was a really good bubble. Did you like that one, Caitlin?
Mm.
Whichever bubble is the best and the best crunching. So far, I think it's this one. So far. I would have to say the Pink Days slime is winning. Then we're going to go on to the blueberry, the Love Frosting right here. Very good. That one's nice, but not as nice as the other one. I like that one. You like that one, Caitlin? Okay, that was the love frosting, and now we're doing the ocean slime. Man, oh man, this is gonna be yucky. Oh, I like that one the best so far, but it's Caitlin's choice. Now I have to blow a bubble with it. Sorry guys, didn't get to do that right. That one. That was a nice bubble. It went really fast though, guys. Sorry. Sorry. I'm gonna fix it up. It's really sticky. Use this to make it good. Hand sanitizer. Okay, which one was the winner?
The same one that won the stretchy.
Which one?
The
ocean slime?
No, White Cloud.
The White Cloud slime?
Yeah.
Alright. Well, White Cloud won again. So it's the best slime. So if you want it, just call me or text me. I have Snapchat. My name is TryMeGirl101. And on Musical.ly is TryMeGirl101. On Snapchat, it is MaddogYos1. So that is that. So I will see you guys later. And me and Caitlin would say bye.
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 Bye, Felicia's.